Clicked on go live. It says I'm live. I'm not sure on which platform I'm live. So before we start, it's important to check if I'm live or not. LinkedIn still shows starting soon. What about YouTube? Okay, so we are live on YouTube. Okay, why LinkedIn is not going live? It says it's live on LinkedIn. Let's see. Anyone can see me on LinkedIn? We are going live on LinkedIn after a long, long time. Okay, great. I can see myself on LinkedIn. Cool. So, okay, so people who are able to watch me on, how do I reduce the volume on LinkedIn? Let's see. Okay, cool. I can even pause it. No, cool. So, people watching on YouTube, hit that like button so that they will know that you are actually watching. These are not bots. And anyone watching it on LinkedIn, send me a message. I can see your messages on LinkedIn there. In fact, here as well. Okay, so I'm live on LinkedIn as well. That's great. Um, yeah, we are live after a very, very long time. Great. Good evening. I mean, that depends upon from where you are attending this session. So it's evening in my place. Let me know from where you are attending this session. Where do I see the stats? Okay, cool. Okay, so what's the plan for today? The plan is very simple. We are going to play a quiz which is based on Java and Spring, and this will be an interactive quiz. So, or maybe real-time quiz where everyone who joins this quiz can answer the question at the same time. And it's fun because you can see the leaderboard and stuff, and it's fun kind of quiz. So, of course, you are going to get some knowledge from this quiz, and also you'll be having some fun in the weekend. There is any future of Java now? Of course. Just because something is not getting hyped is not like it's outdated. Every technology have its own time of hype, and every language have that fun. But if you look at the industry, they are still using Java. I'm not saying every company is using Java, but it covers a huge part. Impressive feature by LinkedIn. I mean, LinkedIn has this feature from a long time. It's not new. I got this access, I think, 4 years ago or 3 years ago, where I can go live on on LinkedIn. So I think you have to apply as a content. You have to apply something as a creator, then you get this access. I'm not sure if they have changed it now. How can I join this quiz? So don't worry. In some time, I'm just waiting for everyone to join. In some time, I'm going to share uh, a QR code with you, which you can scan, and then you can play. Uh, I'm done, CoJava. What should I do now? Start with Spring Framework. Okay, so 2 more minutes, and then we are going to start with the quiz. And trust me, it will be fun. Okay, it's just that on LinkedIn, my shirt color is different. The color correction is huge on LinkedIn. On YouTube, I can say different. Or maybe it is the display change. Oh, that's a display problem. I thought that's the streaming issue. So this display when I'm saying LinkedIn has a different color. I started Spring Boot. I'm slowly progressing in it. Is it okay to go slow? I mean, see, pace is something which you can define, uh, but I believe in deadlines. So you can set a deadline. Okay, in next 2 months, I want to complete this, and if you can follow that, that's a good thing. So pace is not important. Even when I learn something, I don't uh, want to rush, but again, I set a deadline. It's not like I always meet the deadline, but they are important. Link for the quiz, I will share that in some time. So, 1 more minute before we start. And how was your week? How was the new year? It's been 10 days from the new year. Or can we still say it's a new year since we already passed 10 days? Currently enrolled in your Udemy course on Spring and Spring Boot. Oh, that's great. I hope you're enjoying. Okay, I think it's a good time to start. Okay, can you hear any background noise? There is some work going on just outside the office, and it doesn't happen in the entire week because this is Saturday. They got the permission to work, and I didn't know about it. So, can you hear any background noise? Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen, and because of which you will be able to see uh, the screen from where you can join this quiz. And to do that, first of all, I have to shift my screen here, and I have to do this. Okay, so let me share my screen, and here we go. I think I'm going to share only the window, which is this window. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen. Perfect. Now, how do you join this quiz? It's very simple actually. What you do is you take out your phone and scan this QR code. I would suggest keep the YouTube open and scan this with another phone or some other device so that you can have some interactivity there. Okay. Brother, I'm doing your Spring Boot 3 course. When do you release Spring? I mean, when do you release? See, the thing is, there's a plan to release Spring Boot 4, but then it's a new technology, right? It's a new version. And industry will take time to implement it, or maybe they will not even go for it directly. Uh, so we're not late. Don't worry. I think we still have 1 year to go before companies start using it, but I'm going to publish it soon. Okay, so quickly join this quiz. I think we are going to start once we join, once we have 200 participants. So take out your phone, scan this QR code. And don't worry, it will not ask you any personal details apart from your name. And please enter your correct name, as I can see on the screen. I'm sure it is not asking you for your email ID. Okay, that's my phone which is ringing. And don't leave the screen. Once you keep your screen off, you will be out. Again, you have to rejoin. And by the time you are joining, if you can see the description for this live, there are based on when you're where you're watching this on YouTube or LinkedIn, you will see the links for our latest course, which is coming up. So January is a month where we launch multiple courses. So we are coming up with the Java course, which is industry ready, Java, Spring Boot, and multiple things are there. That's a live course, and another live course is AI powered DevOps. You can check out those courses. More courses will be launching in next 1 month. So in next 3 months, so Jan to March, multiple courses are coming. So it's time to upgrade yourself, your skills. So 120 participants joined. So let's wait for 3-4 minutes where everyone will join. and then we can get started. So this is a platform which we have built from scratch, and it's this type of quiz sessions are also a place where you can test. So the development team is also watching this. Hopefully, if they're watching, let us know in the chat somewhere that you are uh, looking at the platform, how it behaves. Anyone from the team, the Discord team, you can just say hi in the chat. Okay, Naman is there. And someone from Talisco. Okay, so my admin. Harsh. Okay, Harsh is using the main account. Okay, Saipi has joined. Link to join, you can join through the QR code. So you take out your phone and scan this, and you'll be able to join. Okay, now it's from Harsh. So better you use your own account, Harsh. And also we got Ishan from our team. Okay, brother, may I know reason why many YouTubers not uploading Spring Boot projects on YouTube or on Udemy too? The main course projects are only on Mon with Next.js. May I know? Okay, so I have a long answer for this, and I'm not expert in Mern stack. I mean, I have worked on it, but I'm not expert. See, when you build something with a Mern stack, things are very easy there, right? So okay, when I say easy, I'm not demeaning or lowering the importance of this Mern stack. It's just that if you want to build something very simple, it's very easy to build. And I think most of the projects which you can see are simple projects. The moment you talk about a complex project, it takes time. And whenever you work with Spring Framework, you don't want to focus on the simple projects. Normally, you think about a big project. And making a course on a big project takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts, and we are not even sure who is going to watch it. Uh, so I think that's the reason we are not spending that amount of time to build one project. Uh, and it's not like when you take my course, we don't teach projects, but again, those are simple projects. Uh, Complex projects actually take a lot of time. Maybe it will take 100 hours of course just to teach you that one project. But yeah, projects are there in Java as well. In fact, in our course also we have a lot of projects. But things are a bit different when you compare Mern stack and Java and other stacks. Okay, I think it's a good time to start. All set, everyone? Just let me know in the chat if you're all set. And I would suggest use some other device to chat to us. Otherwise, you will lose this. The moment you move to YouTube, you will lose this. So join YouTube from some other link. The best teacher to learn program. You're the king. Okay, thank you so much. I think you're asking the best place to learn. But yeah, you got it. Okay, so here we go. I'm starting this quiz. So we got enough participants, and you can join later as well once I start this. So the first two questions are actually fill in the blanks, and then we'll start with MCQs. The first two questions have no weightage, so even if you give wrong answer, that's fine. Okay. Next thing is, whenever you answer to the MCQ, you will get some points, and it's not like only the correct answer will get the points. Of course, the correct answer will get the points, but also matters is how fast you're answering. So if the faster you answer, the more points you will get. And in the leaderboard, we'll see who is ranking first and second, and we can only see the top 10 ranking. So try to avoid questions now, and let's have some fun in the quiz. So here we go. So Java is famous because it is. and just you can just write whatever you think. One more thing, there's a delay between what you are watching in a video and what is happening on your phone. Okay, because in phone it's real time, on in videos there's a lag of 5 to 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of answers here. So Java is famous because it is it's moving so fast. Just object oriented. That's what I can see multiple times. Bora, which is write once, run anywhere. Uh, Platform independent. That's right. It is used for the enterprise projects. Cool. It is used in big MNCs. That's also correct. I mean, this is what you are sending. Okay, it's not my answers. Okay. Yeah, you can use this. Use split screen in phone. Okay, so majority which I can see is okay. If you still want to join this quiz, I'm sharing the QR code as well. So if someone has just joined this quiz, and if they want to, or just join the stream and they want to join the quiz, you can scan this QR code on the screen. Okay, so majorly it is write once, run anywhere, which is Vora. Because of this, Java is getting very famous, which is same thing, which is platform independence. But it has a lot of features. It is object-oriented language. It is used in fintech applications. It is used in big companies, and people who love coffee loves Java. Okay. Then someone mentioned about JVM. That's right. It's a Goat language. True. And it is secure. Yeah, that's important aspect here. It's open source. Even that is correct. Looks like a very senior person is commenting this. Thanks for joining. Okay, let's move to the next question. Again, no points for this. You can type anything you want except bad words. So Java uses dash to manage memory automatically. Okay, someone mentioned JDK. I read. I don't know. Uh, okay, so I think majority of you are saying garbage collector, and that is correct. And yes, it's a part of JVM, so makes sense. Or I can say JRE. I don't see the comments with Java. Okay, so people are joining from two platforms. One is YouTube, one is LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn comments you can't see on YouTube, but I can see everything in one window, which I'm using. Okay, so the answer is garbage collector, and that's the majority. And now the actual quiz begins. Okay, so uh, remember, you have to answer fast, but also correct. So here we go. We are moving to the first question for our quiz. I think I should move myself. Which is the best layout? Yeah, this looks good. It's easy now, I think, for this question. So we in total we got 25 questions. Okay, so let's see what you have answered. Majority went for platform independent, and that is correct. It's low level, not exactly. Java is a high level language. It's fast, that's true, but not faster than Rust. Uh, and they're not known for fast. It's known for platform independent, but you are partially right. It's machine dependent. No, one person. Okay. Shramin Mitra says, Naveen, say yes twice if you want me to make mini spring. Oh, yes, yes, please. Okay, so after the first question, just I wanted to show you the leaderboard, how it will look like. And this is a leaderboard. Now, who is doing well? It is Naman from our team. Why, Naman, you're answering this? Are you testing it? Okay. Second is Mayank. So I will treat Mayank as first. Naman is from our team. There is insider trade going on. Uh, Luckily, we are not having any prizes. Don't worry, Naman will drop off and Mayank will become first. ABD, okay, Devilas is playing this game. Jyotish, Raj, Kuldeep, Uday, uh, Kabilash, Akash, and Suchesh. Okay, so this is how leaderboard will look like, and you can only see top 10. And you can see five Uday, Kabilash, and Akash, same points. That's great. Even we have a tie for fourth position. Let's see. Next question coming on your screen. Here we go. What does JVM stands for? So starting with easy questions and then we'll move towards difficult one later. Okay, people who are answering in the chat, I think you can join this quiz and answer from your phone. And if you want to join, take out your phone, scan the QR code which you can see on the screen, and you can join. Okay, let's see what you have answered. So majority went for Java Virtual Machine, and that is correct. Good job. Let's go for the next question. I think someone is talking about a bug in mobile. The text is black and background is dark blue. Is it same for everyone? Okay. We need system design course that's coming up in March. Till that point, there are two more courses coming up. One is industry ready Java course and AI powered DevOps. Check that out in the description. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which of this is not a Java primitive type? Okay, time up. And majority went for string, and that is correct. Int is primitive, float is primitive, char is primitive. String is a class in Java. Okay, it's time to see the leaderboard, and let's see. It's Jyotish who is doing well, first position. Then we got Kabilash, Mayank, Akash, Kuldeep, ABD, Raj, Suchesh, Uday, and Hussein. Great. And you're not too far. You can still do it. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Which operator is used for object reference comparison? Remember, it is reference. And time up. Let's see what you have answered. Okay, majority went for this, which is 101, and that is correct because we are comparing the object reference. People who went for equals, they are doing object comparisons. So you missed the word in between. Cool. Time for the next question. And in my, the broadcasting tool, I got some options. I'm just testing them. That's nice. Okay. So let's see the next question. And here we go. Which is not a OOP principle? And time up. Okay, let's see your answers. And okay, almost everyone said compilation, and that is correct. Good job. And it's time to see the leaderboard. And okay, it's Mayank who came on top, then Dilip, then Shubham. Okay, Sobhan, Shubham, Faizan, Hina. Okay, so this is one bug. So we got one bug here. Saibi, if you're watching this, when you have a big name, you lose the first thing. RSB, Nikhil, and Riddhi, good job. And for Nikhil, we have, oh, sorry, for Mayank, we have this. That's a good tool. Okay. Next question. What is method overloading? And time up. Let's see what you have answered. Okay, majority went for the first option. 33 people. How can you get confused with the same name, same parameters? That's overriding. It's time to watch the video again. So go to YouTube and search for method overloading. And the moment you see a familiar face like this, watch the video. And when you watch the video, there's a button, there's a small button like this, thumbs up. You can type any message which you want, like this is the best video which I have seen. Okay, I'm just saying this so that you will not forget this concept next time. Okay. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Which keyword is used to inherit a class in Java? I can see a lot of people are answering this in the chat. Join the quiz. It will be fun. Take out your phone, scan the QR code. You can still join the quiz. Okay, let's see what you have answered. And majority went for extends, and that is correct. We don't use implement to inherit. We basically use implement or implements to implement the interface. Even between interface to interface, we use extends keyword. Okay, it's time to see the leaderboard. And it is Sobhan who has got, in fact, for the first position, we got Sobhan and Dilip. Then we got Mayank, Shubham, Hina, RSB, and Mr. Bhavdankar or Miss Bhavdankar, I'm not sure. Riddhi, Mani, and Som. Okay, so for Sobhan and Dilip, applause. Can you hear that? Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What does this refer to? So this is a keyword, okay? There should be double quotes there, but this is a keyword in Java. Okay, time is up. And let's see what you have answered. Okay, majority says current object, and that is correct. Parent object is not something which you refer with this. You use a super keyword to represent a parent object. Okay, question number 9, I think, which is coming on your screen now. And here we go. Which type of memory stores objects? Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Majority went for heap, and that is correct. Uh, Few people are saying register. You're not wrong because ultimately uh, things are getting stored in the register. But if you talk about a concept, it's heap. Okay. Let's go for one more question before we look at the leaderboard. So the question is coming now, and here we go. Which keyword prevents inheritance? So someone who just joined this stream, you can still join the quiz by scanning the QR code. So take out your phone, scan this QR code, you will be in. Okay, so let's see what you have answered, and it is final. That's right. So we use static for different thing, not for preventing inheritance. Private is for not accessing outside, and protected for fields or for the inner classes, but it's final. Okay, now let's see the leaderboard. Okay, Ujjwal says where to answer. So basically, Ujjwal, what you do is you take out your phone and scan this QR code. So you should be able to join the quiz and you can answer that. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. And it is Dilip. Okay, Dilip Hegde. Then we got, okay, please tell me your name in the chat so that I can call you. I can't see your name here. Then Hina, Mani, Som. Mani, I think, is a new entry. Bhanu Prasad, new entry. Ishwa, new entry. Bharat, new entry. Shraddha and Ajyotish, all these new entries. So leaderboard is changing very fast. Okay, it's Pranav. So it's Pranav here. Okay, great. Time for the next question. And here we go. Which class is the parent of all the classes? Okay, time up. Let's see what you have answered. Majority went for object, and that is correct. I know this is one of the thing with Java. You got classes with the name class. You got classes with the name class and object. Even object is a class in Java. You got a class called method, which we normally use in Reflection API. Uh, yeah, some things are weird, but still better than other languages in terms of weirdness. Is the timing matters? Yes. The faster you answer, and I think on your screen when you answer, you can see the points, right? How much points you got for each question. So that depends upon your speed as well. Okay. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Which package is automatically imported? The QR is not working, is it? Where's my phone? Harsh, can you just test the QR on the screen now? Is it working? You and I will test it. Hmm. Yeah, it's working. I don't know if you can see that. It's asking for your name, enter that name, and you'll be in. How many questions? In total, we got 25 questions, 12 question done. In fact, let me also share the link for you to join. So I've shared the link. Previous answer is object, but why? Explain clearly. So what happens is every class in Java, it extends another class, which is object class. Because see, when you create object of a class, it need to have some basic features. And Java says you will get these basic features from the object class. So by default, all the classes in Java directly or indirectly extends the object class. And to know more, go to YouTube, search for Telesco. I'm just kidding. You can check, you can watch whatever video you want. Okay, quiz code is here, if you can see, 392184. Okay, let's see the answer. The right answer is java.lang, which by default get imported. But if you want to use any class or interfaces from util package, you have to import it manually. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Which interface is used to sort objects? Eight, 7, 6. And time up. So let's see the right answer. It is compatible. That's right. Serializable is not something which we use for the sorting of the objects. We use it to store the object. So there are certain concepts where if you want to store the state of an object, you have to implement serializable. Okay, there's a question from Harish. I was watching 2 days Java video. And for everyone else, this 2 days Java video means there's a video on YouTube by Telesco, which is 48 hours. Yeah, we found the problem. So I shared your comment with my team. So we should have added Maven first, then JUnit. But I think in the sequence, it is JUnit first and then Maven. What you can do is jump to the Maven section and watch that first, then go back to JUnit. Otherwise, on the channel, there's a separate video for Maven. You can watch that. Okay, it's time to see the leaderboard once again. And we got the leaderboard. Dilip is still doing good with a strong point. You are running good compared to the second with 100 points. So it's Dilip, Som, Nikhil, Santosh, R, Jyotish, Aftab, new entry in the top 10. Krishna, new entry. Nagaraju, new entry. Shriram, new entry. Subramaniam, new entry. Pranav, I asked for your name and you're not there in the top 10. So for the total questions you can see here, right? So it is 25 questions actually, because 2 questions were just simple stuff. 25 questions. We have already done 13 now, 12 more to go. Okay, next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Yeah, come on, Pranav. People are rooting for you. Come on. Which collection allows key value pair? Yeah, Naman, I got some more sounds here. I don't know what this sounds like. I will just try this. There's night. What time's now? That's it. Okay. So let's see The answer is map. So basically, if you want to store data in a map, you basically put that in a key value pair. Okay, next question coming on your screen, and here we go. What does Spring Boot mainly reduce? Okay, so finally we are in Spring now. Spring questions. And time up. So let's see the answer. Majority of you are going for configuration. That is correct. So basically, whatever you can do in Spring Boot can be done in Spring as well. It's just that to reduce the configuration, because as a developer, your main focus should be development or writing the code, not configuring stuff. So Spring Boot helps you there. Okay. I'm just curious to see if Pranav is there in top 10. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay. And we got applause. So finally, Pranav made it in top 10. We are happy. Okay. Uh, Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which concept is used for dependency injection? Okay, I hope Pranav gets first. So we are adding pressure on Pranav now. Even if he knows the answer, he will make mistakes. Okay, so time's up. Let's see. Majority of you are going for IOC, which is correct, which is inversion of control. That's right. Yeah. So inversion of control, and that's how you do it. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Default embedded server in Spring Boot is. I'm up. Let's see the answer. It is Tomcat. Looks like a lot of people have actually worked on Java in Spring Boot. That's good. Or maybe my audience have already know these concepts. Okay, Imran says quiz code. So Imran, what you can do is you can scan this QR code, which you can see on the screen, or you can just go to this link and type this code, which you can see here. Is there any Discord channel? Yes, Telisco has a Discord channel. Okay. I want to see the leaderboard, but I'm scared if I don't see Pranav there. So let's do that after one more question. So Pranav, you're getting one more chance. So let's see. Next question. Which annotation creates REST APIs in Spring Boot? So I'm sharing the link, Imran, in the chat. You can try that. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. Okay, majority went for REST controller. That is correct. And it's time to see the leaderboard. And here we go. Okay, Pranav is still in top 10. Great. So Harsh has shared the Discord link. You can check that and join. Okay. Time for the next question. And here we go. And Dilip, still doing good on top. The first, I think, is not, they're not changing. Next question. Which annotation is used for post request? Okay, time up. Let's say the answer. Majority went for post mapping, and that is correct. Good job. I should take this quiz daily. I want to, but I'm afraid if YouTube will ban me. Okay. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Which annotation reads data from request body? Okay, time up. Let's hear what you have answered. Majority went for request body, and that is correct. Okay, time to check the leaderboard. Okay, so Dilip, not moving, not moving. Good job, Dilip. Okay, Santosh, Som, not. Why these people are not getting impacted? That's crazy. Okay. Uh, this should be Pranav still there. I'm happy. Shubham, Hina, Mayank. Okay. Anyone who is at the 11th position, you can see your own ranking. Let me know in your own ranking in the chat, which if I can't see here. Uh, why you'll be banned? Probably because when you do this type of things every day, and if this thing involves I'm taking you from YouTube to some other platform, even to play the quiz, they might not like it. And when they ban, they don't even give the reasons. Luckily, I got a YouTube manager, so I can get my account back. Probably, I mean, hopefully. Okay, 181. This is my own. This is my one dream. To get banned from YouTube, is that your dream? So I didn't get you. Rank 44, 23, 55, 64. Okay, cool. Next question coming on your screen. We have 5 questions to go. And I should pitch the upcoming courses. So again, repeating, in the description, you will find 2 courses coming up. Do check them out. And if you think it will help you, do join. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Here we go. Which annotation injects dependencies? Oh, thank you, Sudhir. And time up. Let's see. It is AutoWAD. That is correct. Next question coming on your screen. Oh, you want one pen from me? Okay. Okay. So when we do a meetup, if it is somewhere near to your location, let me know. I will get a pen for you. Okay. Next question. Here we go. Which annotation maps a class to a database table? Still not able to understand. So pen which says the Lisco on it, the printed one. Either my brain is not braining today because it's Saturday evening. Okay, let's see the answer. And the answer is entity. That is correct. Cool. Time for the leaderboard, which we only have three more questions to go. So let's see the leaderboard here. And Dilip not moving from first position. I think the first 4, 5 is fixed. Even Surbi was there. Uh, at the end, things are changing. Bharat came in here. Pranav not moving now. Come on, Pranav, you can do it. Only 200 points more to beat Dilip. Nothing personal, Dilip. Okay. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Default port of Spring Boot application. I mean, of course, you can change the port numbers, but by default, what would be? That's right. Since Spring Boot uses or Spring Boot Web uses Tomcat, Tomcat has a default port which Spring will use, which is 8080. Perfect. Two more questions to go. Let's see if Dilip can maintain that streak. Next question. REST APIs usually return data in which format? This quiz happens every day. I want to, uh, but I don't think YouTube is the best platform to do that every time, or LinkedIn. Maybe we should do that on our platform. Okay, time up, and majority voted for Jason. That's good. I think I have to ask my team to make difficult question now for the next time. Okay, so before we go for the last question, I want to see the leaderboard once. And Dilip still not moving. Santosh, Som, Krishna, Jyotish, Surbhi, Pranav, Shubham, Hina, Bharat. What is your ranking, anyone? Is it changing at least for others? Or is it still same? Okay, from 322 to 251. Okay, that's good. So we got one more question from 108 to 87. That's good. Yeah, no, we have one more question. Okay, and the last question coming on your screen. Here we go. Which file is used for Spring Boot configuration? And let's see what you have answered. Why it's not stopping? Yeah. Let's see the answer. And the answer is application.properties. That's good. And I want you to guess the winner. I think this was the last question. Yeah, next time we'll conduct difficult one. Okay. So Dilip or Pranav? Pranav was in seventh position, I doubt, but still, you never know. So maximum votes for Dilip. Let's see. And it's Dilip. There was some changes in the leaderboard, but Dilip, you are the winner for today's quiz. This is the final leaderboard, which we already saw. Okay. So Dilip, you are the winner, the first winner. Congratulations. Okay, there should be applause. Wait. Let's go. Okay. The second winner is Santosh. You, Santosh. The third winner is Som Gupta. And then the list goes on. It's R. Jyotish, Krishna Chaitanya, Surbhi, Pranav, Hina, Bharat, and Nikhil. Good job, everyone. So next time we'll try to go for difficult one. And yes, you can also post your own ranking here. And Dilip, you are there in the chat. We are waiting for your winning speech. I don't know why I have this feeling that Dilip was part of one of the batch. Dilip Hegde sounds, his name sounds similar. Dilip just went. Yeah, Saipi says he is the front-end developer. Where is Saipi? Where is your comment? Yeah. Saipi says we can see Prana now. True. Okay, where is Dilip? Yeah. All credit goes to Navin Reddy and Hyderabad. Abbas. Okay, so you're the part of the batch, right? That's what I was thinking. I've seen this name. When are you going to conduct next quiz? When are you going to conduct next quiz? Okay, same question to yeah. So probably we'll do it coming Saturday. Once in a week should be good. It's related to education, so YouTube won't ban, I think. Yeah, hopefully. I can't see you. It's light is coming in between. So how was the quiz? Enjoyed? And also the platform. How was the platform? The quiz platform. Our team has built it. They are waiting for some feedback from you. Yeah. Yeah, sure. My videos are available. Or you can join the batch. Okay, Dilip was the part of the last Java Spring AI batch. Oh, that's good. Maybe you can give some review. How was the batch? What will be the timing for this quiz? Same time around 7 p.m. I got offers from IBM, Mindtree. Oh, that's good. We are waiting for another round. Okay. Awesome platform for quiz. Thank you so much. We need all the participants' score. You can post. So whoever joined, you can see the score. You can just post your score here. How did you implement real-time communication? So basically, we are using Ably as a platform in between, if I'm not wrong. That's what I got to know the last time. We tried to do it by ourselves, but some of the other issues were there. Oh, because of me, you cleared those interviews. So that's good. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm planning to have a Pune meetup. Anyone from Pune here? Okay, platform is good, but when mobile screen off again open means it's asking for. Yeah, there's something we are solving now. So Saipi, just do consider this. Yesterday also I faced this issue. So this is a feedback from Dilip. It was incredible to have for learning Java Spring Boot. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, cool. So we are going to have the Pune meetup. I'm not sure when. Yeah. I built similar with jQuery. Oh, that's good. Uh, so the problem is when you build these our platforms, when you scale, that's when the problem starts. When a lot of people join and when you're sending messages from the client to server, server to client, that's where the issue starts. Okay, enjoy it and live your videos. Oh, thank you so much. Uh, go for Spring AI. Oh, thank you. So on that note, thank you so much for joining. Check out the description for the course links and do check out the course content. See you in the next live or on the upcoming videos. Bye bye.